I found a pinhole leak in our water pipe and needed to make a temporary repair. It's not a big leak, but wanted to conserve water, and the only way to shut this off is to shut off the water to the entire house. I did some research, and there are devices like this one that are designed for patching pinhole leaks in iron pipes, but I didn't have one and didn't want to drive anywhere, so I wanted to use what I had on hand. I looked over the design, and you basically need a piece of rubber and something to hold it tight against the pipe. I had some thick black rubbery tape I bought a while back and thought to use that. This tape was originally purchased to fix a garden hose that was bulging. I also had on hand a can of leak seal that I previously used for a minor roof repair and decided to spray a little on the inside of the tape just before wrapping it around the pipe, although this probably is not really needed. Before starting, I turned the water off, which was a lot easier using this tool. I had originally used a crescent wrench, which was much more difficult. To shut the water off required half a turn. I then opened the faucet to let the pressure out, removed the white backing of the tape, sprayed a little bit, and applied the tape and pressed firmly all around. Then I attached the cable ties. I waited 2 hours to let the spray dry a little bit, then turned the water back on. It mostly stopped the leak, but a little moisture started appearing. I left it for overnight, and the next morning you can see only a few drops of water in the bowl I set out. So mostly this worked, but I thought the cable ties just might not have enough tension to keep it fully sealed. I went to Home Depot and bought a hose clamp that was the appropriate size. I turned the water off again, opened the valve to relieve pressure, opened the clamp and put it on the pipe and re-threaded it back together and tightened fairly tight. Then turned the water back on and checked. No moisture. I waited a few hours and checked again, and it was completely dry. While this is a decent temporary fix, I believe it should last a few weeks or even months while we take the time to find a reasonable plumber to probably replace all of the iron pipe with 3/4 inch copper. Thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And feel free to watch one of my other videos here.